What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So you're gonna have to bear with me on this one because honestly, I was having trouble going through this and trying to read exactly what it's all about. But it's a meme coin, right? Meme coins have levels of popularity, and I think this one could honestly be very popular. We're always looking for ones that are outside the typical dog coins, right? Looking at Doge and Shiba Inu and everything else that's created under their wings, right? You have these two large birds, and you have all of these others that are created under their wings, and they're all flying along and soaring together. We're looking for something that's going to move outside of that, right? Whether it's a cat coin, it's a frog coin, it's whatever, right? But we haven't had many of those. So, and ones that have officially taken off. But again, we haven't seen altcoin season yet. So we don't know what is going to take off, what is going to be that next big thing to push to a massive level. And this one, which hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, Spurdo, is going to make a move. It looks interesting, honestly. So let's talk about this. Let's go through the project. Let's go through the charting and all of that stuff. Guys, if you could, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And check out all of the links for Spurdo down there. I will provide those at the top of the description. But again, let's go ahead and dive into this project here. So this is the website for Spurdo. Spurdo on ETH by Spurdo now. You see the website. Welcome. Do the official page, I guess it's supposed to say page, of Spurdo ETH Dogen. This is tough to really read and go through, but essentially it's just obviously it's not really it's English, but it's just all mixed up and written around. But it is a meme coin here. I just have trouble reading all that, honestly, with my undiagnosed dyslexia, and a combination of this, it just makes it a nightmare. So make meme coins great again. Why goose? Spurdo ETH. So why choose Spurdo on ETH? Unstoppable. So yeah. Module masters, dedicated community, secure and trustworthy. Again, I struggle with this so much, but that's what makes it interesting for me, is the fact that I'm struggling so much. What is Spurdo? Spurdo represents dynamic something dissembling. I don't know. Really don't know. Our mission, if you guys want to go through it, if you guys can break this all down for me, feel free to break it all down for me. But it's something that's honestly hurting my brain. But the position itself seems to have some popularity, and it comes from memes that are out there. And you can see all the different memes that are created, all the different memes here, which makes the website very, very simple. It's just reading the website is obviously a difficult part. But you have the Twitter account here that has 2,000 followers at the moment, so there's definitely some levels of growth there. You also have 1,700 holders within this, with 1 billion total Spurdo tokens that are out there. Now, getting into the nooks and cranny of it, right? The meat and potatoes, which is the position itself. Spurdo stands at a level of 2.3 cents. 2.3 cents, and it's down about 7% on the day. We're also seeing that the market cap is at a 24. Let me go ahead and accept all these cookies here. You're seeing a $24.9 million market cap with $1.5 million worth of volume. So it definitely has a level of popularity, definitely has a level to where it's going to cook, right? It's cooking. You're seeing 1 billion total supply, 1 billion is in the circulating supply, so all of it is out there at the moment. If we scroll down here and look at the chart and see what it's like in the last 7 days, it's up 675% in the last 7 days. So this has made a huge move in the last 7 days, meaning that a lot of people could have gained a lot of money at those times, and it still only sits at a $24.9 million market cap. So can this be popular? Obviously it can be popular. Can we see a lot of volume? Obviously we could see a lot of volume that's here. In the last month, we're up 1,452% on this play. Again, phenomenal levels of growth here. You got to understand that. If we look at the markets that it's available on Uniswap, and that's pretty much the only place that you could buy it. It says Jupiter, but you're looking at Uniswap here, and you could purchase it through ETH. You can purchase it through MetaMask. If you guys wanted to easily purchase it, you can do it through there. Now, obviously, I want to see more exchanges that can be listed on there. I do want to see if they have the tokenomics down here somewhere and how this is fully broken down. But you can look at it on Dextool. But yeah, it doesn't really have the tokenomics. Let's go all the way up to the top and see if we can find that. So it doesn't look like it gives you that information at the moment, but understand that all of the supply is out there. So you don't really need to know how it's distributed because all of it's there. But you probably do need to know that depending on who you believe is going to sell or make a move, or if there's larger holders, because it is early stages, you never really know, right? But honestly, this does look like something that has a little bit of interest, has a little bit of hype to it, that could potentially run to the next level. Now, we got to understand, I think, the way that we can understand whether this is going to move, I think we need to understand the meme coin sector. Meme coins are very popular. We're looking at $60 to $70 billion for the entire meme coin market. There is room, right, for Spurdo to cook, right? If you look at things like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and Pepe and Dog with Hat, and all of these are starting to really pick up, you still see others that have a lot of success, like Grok. Grok, I think, is sitting at like a 200, 300, maybe more $1 million market cap, or sorry, around 100 or $200 million market cap. We're looking at other things, you know, like Brett, that's at a $1.7 billion market cap. We're looking at MAGA Trump, that's a meme coin, that's at a 500, maybe even $600 million market cap. There's a lot of room for meme coins to grow. And Spurdo could be one of those that ends up making a larger move in this meme coin market, seeing billions of dollars. I think the one thing that it really needs, if I had to give my opinion, the one thing that it needs is CEX listings, right? You see the level of impact that it did have, and all of that impact should have led to maybe 1 or 2 or 3 CEX listings, whether it's just Bitmart or whether it's something even lower that's a tier 3 exchange. It doesn't really matter. You should have seen multiple that happen there, and I think you will see that coming. And just to see that there's no CEX besides, you know, Uniswap, which is a DEX, you know that there's a lot of room for growth from where we are right now to where we could be, right? So honestly, I like it just for the website and just for the fact that I can't really understand anything about it. It's about the meme. It's not about what it does or anything there. If you can decipher that, feel free to decipher it. It hurt my brain a lot. But make sure you guys check out the links down below if you guys want to look at it yourself, maybe even invest in yourself. It's very simple. Have a MetaMask, have ETH on it, and then you can add Spurdo to your MetaMask, and or you can buy directly on Uniswap as you do that. So from ETH, trade, and swap to Spurdo. Very, very simple if you wanted to do that. Check out the links down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.